Here I have a annealing machine that has been shorted out. It's not turning on. On the back, it's the model number is AMP16. So let's have a look. So this is the inside circuitry. The power switch and all that goes into here. Here's the one circuit board, and then it has a 7-segment display, and it looks like it has some other circuitry in this thing here. So we'll have a look at the circuit board. So there's definitely a problem with this board here, because you have some Mosfets and stuff right on here, but I'm reading a short on them. Like here's a short, definitely on this one. Reading 00. So I just go through the board. And mark where I'm getting shorts. So I'm getting shorts on this. And so this MOSFET's bad. And then you probably want to, could be a diode. So I got the replacement MOSFETs, and you can see there's even a burnt mark there. So here's the replacement ones that I got on DigiKey. So I'll just install them in here. You want to also put the thermal pad, because the drain right there is conductive, and you don't want it to short on the heat sink. So we'll slip that in. Was when I was testing, I found that there's a short on these capacitors, so I desoldered this capacitor. It was good. Also, there are some diodes right here. Some diodes. I found a couple shorts, but it ended up being a shorted N-power transistor. It's I believe 56 amps, 600 volts. And so because this was shorted and it's shorting that, and I also looked right here and it looked like this is shorted, but this is actually a resistor, because if you flip it over on the circuit board there, it says R55, and it's just a really low ohm resistor. There's a diode here. Everything else looks okay. I'm not getting any more shorts, so I'll just give it a try. So here's the display. The display's coming on, so I assume that it's working now. So I got the short all figured out and the display working. You can pull out the fuse holder back here. There's a 10 amp fuse, and then in the main circuit board, what I ended up doing is there are these power Mosfets right here, and you can order them on DigiKey, and they're 56 amps N channel Mosfets there. So that's the circuitry there. Now here, I'm not 100% sure. You can't get into this box here. It's riveted. So if there's anything issue in here, it's kind of like you'd have to break off those rivets. I'm not 100% sure. I'm thinking that this is some sort of positive negative thing, but these two wires are connected there. So like I don't know if that's going to be a short or not, but this is working, and the fan turns on, so that's a good sign.